Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Pedro. Pedro is a very handsome gentleman here looking to do a hair transplant. He has some genetic hair loss on his dad's side, and we'll show that in a second. But Pedro, tell us about how you found our clinic and tell us when you started noticing your hair loss.
My hair loss, probably like right after I turned 18, I started noticing, and I noticed you guys. I went online and searched. I usually go see what's the better review, and I see you guys have top reviews. I seen all the comments, and yeah, that was very intriguing.
Awesome. And this comes from a gene on your dad's side, you think? Yeah. Okay, so you said your brother, your dad, your uncle, okay.
Grandfather,
so
all of them.
There's like a 0% chance this wasn't going to happen to you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're very young too, so you're 23, and this started about 5 years ago is when you started noticing? About 5 years ago. Okay,
so
perfect.
It started getting worsening, started going higher.
Right. And you do a good job hiding it, so you normally don't wear your hair back, so you kind of bring your hair forward, and we're only wearing it this way to kind of show.
If I cut it short, I'm going to look like I'm like almost 50, you know?
Exactly. So, just to kind of show everyone, he is a Norwood 3, so you can see that he has these recessions. He still has a nice little central tuft area there, but you can see the recessions on either side. And again, I don't think most people even know this is happening because he wears his hair down. So again, thank you for showing everyone. And but this is, he does a great job hiding it, but this is going to make a big difference in terms of the size of his forehead. So what we're going to do next is draw his hairline out, but are you nervous today, man?
I'm calm.
Okay,
Yeah.
Cool. Well, thank you for showing your story, and we're going to be checking in throughout the day to show your progress, Pedro. Thanks. Okay. Yeah. All right, so I'm here with Pedro, and we've just talked about his hairline, and we're basically ready to go to the operating suite, but I want to show everybody because, this is really, now I shaved this out, so he had a little bit of hair in these areas, but this is the area that we're going to absolutely annihilate with hair today. So he's going to get... And you can see a lot of these areas here have zero hair, and we're sort of building it into his existing tuft of hair that he has in the center. We're even going to build into this area in the front. You can see the hairline design, a little bit bigger area on this side. You can see that he has a little bit of recession built in, but it's not a huge amount. So he has a little bit of this upward recession on either side. You don't want it to just be a straight line across. But I am so excited for you, Pedro. He's coming in from, a couple hours away, but he's actually going to drive home today. Again, some people do decide to do that. Some people spend a night in a hotel, but you certainly are, completely with it when you leave. So, all right, Pedro, you excited, man?
Super excited.
Awesome, man. So we'll get you to the next room. Thanks again.